we go. Well, hi, Beth. Just had a major poop. And now she's in the tub. I'm talking about Betsy, of course.
No, please don't splash. You gonna splash for Grammy?
Whoa,
Like that.
look out!
Give it some splashes.
Now she's eating her hand.
Bang, 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 bang. Show everybody the splash. I'm not gonna put that in your mouth.
What the?
This is why we wear an apron.
Yes.
Splashy, splashy, because somebody likes to splash.
Yeah, I know.
And then she doesn't understand why it's in her face. You wash your hair? Hi, Grammy. Say hi. Look at all her hair.
A couple buds coming in, I think.
Mm-hmm. But she likes to splash the mud. You love to splash. Get it all bubbly. Huh. You get it all bubbly in here. Here's this guy.
Like a little
Can blow on your
pelican
face.
or something.
Like him? What are you going to do? You're so happy in the bath. We love the bath, huh?
She's so mad about 5 minutes ago. We were changed her. Now she's happy.
She just loves the water.
Pelican, take me away.
Yes. Let's see some splashing. I didn't wear my apron to cook, you know.
Come on. Show Mommy's lap jacket.
Ta-da! This is the only time I'll wear this apron, I suppose, isn't it? Pretty clean apron, Beth. Splash, splash, splash! Well, we'll do some more splashing later, but that was a good. I have to wipe your nose. Hi. I'm sorry.
What the?
Are you gonna splash? Are you gonna splash? Those are little baby splashes. That's usually those big
Let's see a
splashes.
big splash.
She kicks and splashes at the same time sometimes.
Are you gonna splash or what?
You are.
What? Kick? There she goes.
Splashy! And she loves cameras, so she's probably smiling for the camera. No splashing? Well, then we'll make this splashing part 1.
Yes.
And we'll tape it again when you really want to splash. Say bye, Grammy.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Can you wave?
Can you wave? You can wave. You love waving.
Oh,
Oh.
splash. And
There
there she goes. Pasta.
Can I eat it with you? Baby splashes? Just baby splashes?
Let's do a close-up. Alright, how about here's your close-up.
Hello, Betsy. I don't have any teeth yet, but I'm working on it. Oh. Splashy, splashy.
Okay, is that it?
Okay, that's it.
Oh, I turn it off. The red button again?
Yeah.
Okay. Lulu, do you want to say hi?
I don't know.
I don't know.
She's eating Cheerios.